we at Kuya Will's Biryani spot. You heard? And this is chicken biryani. Yes, and we's about to get busy. You hear me? Here, check this out right here. Ooh. You know what I mean? Layla about to get busy right now. You heard? Let's see. Let's see.
Oh my god. Yeah. I like it.
Of course you like it. Look at this. Nice golden rice. Ooh, look, all falls apart. Looking nice.
I was popping, son. Right now we at Kuya Will's. And we about to check out their biryani rice, you heard? Chicken biryani rice.
Food trip.
You heard? Yeah. Biryani chicken, baby, you heard? Damn, it looks real good. It smells real good. Hold on. All right, here we go, baby. We got rice in here. I think there's caramelized onions. Here we go. The moment of truth, baby. Mmm.
Shut up.
I'm hungry.
Shut up.
Alright. Oh my god. Look how the chicken just breaks right off. Wow. Mmm. This is really good. Do some Leila. Leila, let's go.
Done.
It's chicken. It's not hot.
It's good though.
It is good, right? Let's do some of this lemon on this, man. Mmm. Mmm. Mmm.
Sa ano? Asin, sa ano?
Yeah, this.
Asin.
Let's try it with the sauces. Oh man, that just enhanced the flavor like crazy. Mmm. Try the white one. Man, that is so good. Success! Thank you, Kuya Will. You're very welcome.
I'm hungry.